So friends, today I am here to show you how to root your phone with the flash ROM or to restore your phone Galaxy Y, Samsung Galaxy Y to its original ROM. To do this, we will need some softwares. The softwares can be downloaded from the download links given in the description section. Now first thing we have to do is to open the Odin version. Now to do this, we'll open the folder, right click on it. For Windows 7 and other versions except for Windows XP, you will have to right click it and click on run as administrator. If it gives something such as a message, then click on yes regarding administrator privileges, then you'll get this window. So the first thing you are gonna do is to put your phone into download mode. To do this, you'll have to put the phone into download mode. First, you'll have to boot the phone into download mode. For that, you will press the volume down button, the middle button and the power button. So we'll do that. Volume down button, middle button and the power button. Now we'll press them. So the phone goes into the download mode. Now to continue, we have to press the volume up button as shown in the message. So we'll press the volume up button. So it enters into the download mode. Then next thing you have to do is to connect your mobile to the computer via USB. So we'll connect the mobile to the computer via USB. Now we are connected. So before you connect, just make sure that the Samsung keys on your mobile and the Samsung keys on the computer is off. You can do this via the task manager because Samsung keys application works in the background as well. So in the task manager, just press K and all the things related to keys you just close them or end processes. So when you connect it for the first time, it will install the drivers required. After installing the drivers, you can see there here on the first window, you can see there's the yellow mark over here. So it indicates that the phone has been connected. So after that, you have to select the PIT file. So we'll select the file. This is the file totoro0623.pit. Then the next things you have to do is to select the appropriate files. So I'll bring the camera a bit closer so that you can see which files to select. So first the bootloader file, boot s5360 blah 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 .tar. Then you have to select the PDA file. For PDA file, PDA5360 dd data data. Then phone file. So make sure that you select, instead of phone, you have to select the modem blah 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 rav05 .tar file. So we'll select that file, and for CSC we'll select GTS5360. So we'll select this file. So after this is done, we'll click on the start button, so it will start. So the first thing you will see on the mobile is that a blue line appears over here and it increases. So just wait for these things to finish, and after it finishes you can use the Samsung Galaxy Y in its original form, or the factory reset form, or the form in which you got your mobile from the company. So you can see that the line increases. Automatically, and once it finishes, allow the phone to reboot. Do not disconnect your mobile from the USB port. It is very important for these things to finish, so let it finish. So after everything is completed, you'll see a pass written over here in the Odin window, and your phone will restart automatically. Allow it to restart, and once it's done, you can use your Samsung Galaxy Y. So we'll allow the phone to restart. It will take a while for your phone to restart because it's loading for the first time, and here the mobile has been restored to its original state and everything is fine now. if you had your phone rooted, then this will unroot the phone and also remove all the things from the phone just as a factory reset. So this is it. This is how to root your Samsung Galaxy Y. I'll just wait for you to show how this works till the phone gets completely booted and the screen appears, so that you can make sure that the video is correct. So this is it. Thanks for watching the video.